Okay, Brad McConnell from Eastern Iowa Community College is back. I wanted to do a quick pause on this print so I could zoom in on a few of these features and show you how they come out from the slicing software. So if I zoom in real close here, you can see, you can see I've got 3 actual lines that go all the way around the part. The bottom of the part has already been printed. I had some adhesion problems. I don't think I got enough glue down, but I was hoping that it would come through, and it did. So we're going to be okay with the build. So I've got 3 contours going all the way around the part, and I've also got 3 contours going around this inside diameter. Once the part starts up here, the column that I've got, it will also have 3 contours. Now this is support structure going back and forth and back and forth. This is not actually part of the model. This is breakaway support structure. So as this part builds up here and then overhangs here, there will be support structure built up to hold it. Once we're done with the entire part, then this breakaway support structure, I can just grab it with a pair of needle nose pliers like this and pull it off. Sometimes you can just pull it off with your fingers. But I wanted to stop that print, pause it rather, and show you the infill and the contours. All those can be adjusted in the slicing software, as well as the support structure.